Are you looking for ideas for choosing the right color for your front entry door in Gas City, Indiana? First, consider your home exterior. Choose a color that complements the overall look and feel of your house. Will it blend in or stand out? Next, think about the mood you want to create. Bright and bold colors like red or yellow can make a statement and add excitement. Soothing colors like blue or green can create a calm and inviting atmosphere. Your entry front door is also a chance to show off your personality. Pick a color that reflects who you are. Would a vibrant orange or deep purple suit you, or do you prefer timeless elegance with classic black or white? It's also important to consider your neighborhood. You want your front door to match the neighbors while still standing out. Finally, make sure the color you choose matches your home's style. Whether traditional, modern, or rustic, there's a color for every type of home. Whatever you want to say with your entry door in Grant County, Clemens Home Solutions has many shades and colors to portray it. Call us today at 765-358-7535 for a quote today.